Yes, absolutely. Smartsheet can indeed be used for project management and quite effectively so. In fact, it's one of the primary use cases for which the platform is designed and widely adopted. However, to truly understand its capabilities, it's important to look beyond its spreadsheet-like interface and recognize its underlying power as a dynamic work management tool. As a project management expert, I often encounter the misconception that because Smartsheet looks familiar to a spreadsheet program like Excel, it must have similar limitations. This couldn't be further from the truth. While it retains the intuitive row and column structure, Smartsheet supercharges it with project management-specific functionalities, automation, collaboration tools, and reporting capabilities that transform a static spreadsheet into a powerful, interactive project hub. Let's delve into the specific ways Smartsheet empowers project managers and teams. 1. Structured project planning and task management. At its core, any project management tool needs to facilitate planning and task breakdown. Smartsheet excels here by offering hierarchical task organization. You can easily create parent-child relationships between tasks, allowing for detailed breakdown structures. WBS. This is crucial for managing complex projects by breaking them into manageable components. Column customization. Unlike basic spreadsheets, Smartsheet allows you to define various column types specifically for project data. Start/end dates. Automatically calculate durations and dependencies. Assign to easily assign tasks to team members. Status. Use drop-down lists for consistent status tracking, e.g., not started, in progress, complete, on hold. Dependencies. Link tasks so that one task start date is dependent on another's completion. Automatically adjusting schedules if tasks shift. Predecessors. Define the order of tasks, crucial for critical path management. Resource allocation. Track who is working on what and identify potential overloads. Gantt charts. With just a few clicks, your task list transforms into an interactive Gantt chart, providing a visual timeline of your project schedule, dependencies, and critical path. This is a fundamental tool for project scheduling and progress visualization. 2. Versatile project views. One of Smartsheet's strengths is its ability to present project data in different views, catering to various preferences and needs. Grid view. The familiar spreadsheet layout for detailed data entry and manipulation. Gantt view. A visual timeline for scheduling, dependency management, and progress tracking. Card view. Kanban ideal for agile teams or managing workflows visually, allowing you to drag and drop tasks between columns representing stages, e.g., to do, doing, done. Calendar view. Visualizes tasks with deadlines on a calendar, great for deadline-focused projects or reviewing upcoming milestones. This flexibility means that a project manager can use the Gantt view for planning, while the team might prefer the card view for daily task management, all working from the same underlying data. 3. Real-time collaboration. Collaboration is the bedrock of modern project management, especially with distributed teams. Smartsheet offers robust features to keep everyone on the same page. Shared worksheets. Multiple users can access and update the same sheet simultaneously, with changes reflected in real time. Comments and attachments. Tasks and rows can have discussions attached, keeping communication contextual. Files relevant to a task can be uploaded directly to that task. Mentions and notifications. Team members can be mentioned to draw their attention to specific updates or questions, triggering instant notifications. Update requests. Streamline data collection by sending specific requests to team members to update their tasks or provide information, without giving them full editing access to the entire sheet. 4. Automation and workflows. This is where Smartsheet truly surpasses traditional spreadsheets for project management. Its automation capabilities can significantly reduce manual effort and human error. Automated alerts and reminders. Set up rules to automatically notify assignees of upcoming deadlines, overdue tasks, or status changes. Automated actions. Trigger actions based on specific conditions, such as moving a row to a different sheet when a task is completed, or assigning a new task once a predecessor is finished. Approval workflows. Automate approval processes for documents, budgets, or deliverables, ensuring accountability and speeding up decision-making. These automations ensure that your project processes are consistently followed and that everyone is informed without constant manual intervention. 5. Reporting and dashboards. Effective project management relies on clear insights into progress and performance. Smartsheet's reporting capabilities are powerful. Customizable reports. Create reports that pull data from multiple sheets across different projects, allowing you to view tasks across your entire portfolio, identify overdue items, or track resource utilization. Interactive dashboards. Build executive dashboards that display key project metrics, KPIs, in visual widgets, charts, graphs, metrics, shortcuts. This provides a high-level overview of portfolio health, individual project status, budget versus actuals, and more, all in real time. Shareable reports and dashboards. Easily share these insights with stakeholders, clients, or executives, providing transparency and facilitating informed decision-making. 6. Integration and scalability. Smartsheet integrates with many other business tools, e.g., Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Salesforce, Tableau, Jira, enhancing its utility as part of a larger tech stack. It's also highly scalable, capable of managing simple individual projects to complex programs with hundreds of tasks and multiple teams.